Hey crafty cuties, I have some mail from India today. This is from Mehataj that has the shop called Boho Needs. I am just gonna dig right in. I didn't know she was sending me anything, so I have to open it and share it with you guys. Now, I did a video probably a couple months ago and shared a package from her, and quite a few of you guys ended up purchasing things from her shop, and I know that she is so appreciative. First of all, she has been messaging me and just saying like how much it means to her family that she got so many orders from that video. And so I just wanted to let you guys know, like, thank you for, you know, supporting someone who I like as well. I cannot get this out. I think I had like 2 people message me and say, hey, I ordered stuff from her shop that same day that you did the video, and I still don't have my package. And I just wanted to say, like, I don't know her whole shipping process, but just keep in mind that these things are actually coming from India. So, I mean, it definitely can take a while. Since I didn't order this, I don't know how long it actually took to get to me. This is a surprise to me. So, let's see. She has a little note here, and it just says, I'm not going to read the whole thing, but okay, it looks like she has just wanted to send this as a surprise gift, and that's why she didn't ask me. Oh, she just said that she is so happy for the orders because of my video, and so this is okay. I'm gonna have to, I guess if you're seeing this video, then I asked her to make sure it was okay to put this up, because obviously this is not like an order, but I want to share it with you because I think it's something special. Maybe it's something handmade, I'm not actually sure. And also, you do not have to do this. You do not have to send me anything as a thank you. I love being able to share different shops. That's something I've always loved doing on this channel. I try to be very careful with, you know, whose shops I share, and I always make sure it's genuine, I guess. Okay, let's I don't wanna, she has this package so nicely. I think it might be some kind of a journal or album. Aw, I definitely think so. I'm trying to be careful here. So nice of her. Oh, baby girl. How cute is that? Oops, sorry guys. I'm working with this new camera angle. Yeah. Aw. So, yeah, this is so sweet. She made this for me. This would be a great journal to go through. I have so many baby photos. That's funny because since we just moved, this is so cute. So many different fun little pieces. So this is more like a mini album. And I don't use mini albums too often, but I like them. I love how neat and clean they are, and you did a great job on this, so thank you so much. I know there's lots of different flips and things that you can open, and different journaling cards. This is so sweet, so thank you so much. Yeah, like I was just saying, since we just moved, I came across so many pictures that I've printed and didn't do anything with, so I definitely might have to gather up Arlo's baby pictures that I have just laying around and put them in there. So thank you so much. And then it looks like there's some beautiful fabric pieces too, and this will come in handy because I am planning to do more of a bohemian themed mail for May, I think it is, for my Patreon members. And I don't know what I'm doing yet, but definitely be able to use this. I believe I have some bohemian items coming from Amore Fabrics, and that's another shop that I absolutely adore and love. So we got some trims. These are just gorgeous always. Appliques. Yeah, I'm so excited for this, so I can't wait to use it. I am so excited to do a bohemian themed monthly mail. I don't believe I've ever done that unless I'm wrong, but I'll definitely have to gather all of my bohemian supplies to have enough. So this was in the last package and it's my absolute favorite. Like, I guess there's a few different styles of it, but these are so gorgeous. So I definitely think I'll have to hoard these ones for myself. But they're also pretty. I mean, how can you not? This is just such a pretty type of fabric to work with. Oh my gosh, these ones are super like jeweled. Wow, that's a very, very nice package. Thank you. And let's see here. Oh, can't tell if this is fabric or more of a journal. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, is this a journal? Or she just packaged it. Let's see. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. I'm blown away. This. Wow. Wow. Thank you. Look how pretty this is. I'll have to read the note because I don't know if she. Well, anyways. Yep. I think she made both of these. So this is so sweet. Thank you. I am so excited for these items. And this right here, oh my gosh. I make bohemian journals once in a while, as you guys know, or maybe you don't know. And I never exactly know how to use them, so I always end up selling them. But I'm excited to be gifted this because I 100% will be figuring out a way to work with it. I think sometimes I'm intimidated to like use these types of journals because to me this is such a work of art, and this is giving me lots of ideas and inspiration for the next month's mail. Obviously I'm kind of just flipping through quickly. There's all kinds of like flips and things like that, but this is gorgeous. Thank you so much. Again, you didn't have to send me anything to thank me for the orders, and not to mention I'm never doing a video to be like, you guys need to shop here. I'm doing it because I genuinely, want to share. But of course, you guys are in love with the same types of things that I am, and that's why I keep showing them on my channel. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is a cool idea. Look at that. So it's a little butterfly, and then it's a card. But I like how it's like cut out exactly like the butterfly, and you could do journaling or something like that. Yep, I'm definitely getting lots of ideas here. And then there's like a little mini journal, I believe. Oh, this is giving me an idea right here. Maybe I'll do something like this little mini bohemian journal for the mail. I'm not sure exactly yet, but that is so cute. I love all the little clips and things. I really like these types of paper clips. I don't know what you call them, but they are very cute. And then a little envelope. So gosh, this was such a nice surprise. I'm so excited for these items, like I said. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. A quick little video just to show you what I got in the mail. Thank you so much. And I will put her shop down again. This isn't, sorry guys, I've moved the camera. This is not a haul video in any way, but I'll put her shop down below. I don't know if she has things in her shop all the times. Every time that I have looked, she has. So if you want to go find some lovely bohemian type supplies, it's a great place to check out. And I just love that these things, come from India. Of course, it might take a little bit longer, but it's totally worth the wait. These items are gorgeous, and I can't wait to use them. I'm just blown away. I could look at these things all day long, these pieces, like the trims and whatnot. They will make such pretty like junk journal cards, or I don't know, I'm just getting so many ideas. Yeah, I think I'll probably be making some kind of like journaling cards with them for the month of May. So that might get you interested if you've been wanting to be a Patreon and you are liking bohemian style things. I mean, I can't guarantee that's what I'm making for May. That's just what's on my radar. So I'm very excited, but I will definitely be showing photos when we get to that month. But now we're on April, at least when I'm filming this. So that's it, guys. I gotta go. Bye. Have a great day.